2021 BarkBox. This time we got Snowball. Snowball's with us. Let her smell it.
Hey, Snow.
Oh my gosh. All right, Coco. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Coco.
Hi, Snowball.
She wants her BarkBox.
Well.
Okay, we'll go open it. Let's go open it. Let's go open it. All right, let's go. Come on to the couch. Oh my, she just ate the camera. Okay, so while we get this prepared, this is Snowball. We have a video coming out introducing Snowball, so don't worry about that, guys. It'll all be explained. But this is Snowball, and she gets to open the BarkBox with us today. So let's go ahead and get started.
Coco, sit.
How tall are you?
I am 5'2".
And she's jumping to your waist.
Right.
You're a silly girl.
Okay, babies.
Oh my gosh, she jumped even higher. It's a Super Chewer BarkBox.
Oh no, there's more tape.
More tape.
They
Whoa.
put more tape on it than normal. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Look at her go. Get.
Come on, Coco.
Hi, Snowball. Oh, hi, Coco. Okay. Oh my. We've released the tornado.
Oh my gosh.
How much tape did they put on it this time?
This is ridiculous. They have 3 different pieces of like.
Come on!
tape.
Come on!
Okay.
Alright, you open it, Coco. Do it yourself.
Snowball doesn't know what it is, Coco.
Yeah, go show Snowball. Show your new sister. Show your new sister.
Coco, are you going to show Sissy?
It's funny because Coco is the big sister. She was born first. Come on, quit trying to give away my address and open the box.
Coco, are you having trouble, Coco?
Snowball, go help her.
Trouble. Well, I think Sissy is having trouble.
I think this is more fun to watch than the actual unboxing. There you go. What is it, Coco? What'd you get this time? What's in there? Oh, what's in there? What's in there?
It is Doggone fishing.
Doggone fishing, Coco. Doggone fishing. What is that? A fish?
This is a bass kicker.
A bass kicker.
Yeah, it's a fish.
It's a fishy.
And we got a lure.
A bass kicker, huh?
This is called. Hey!
You guys can have it. Aren't they scented? Oh, okay. Well,
Okay, so
Snowball
this
took
is
that
the
one.
Blobber.
The clobber. Oh, it's a bobber. Okay. Oh,
Bobber.
don't fight over it, guys. Give Snowball one.
Snowball.
Because
The
Coco
fishy-
stole the other one.
Yeah, you can have the fishy. And the bass kicker. Features of the bass is nylon.
So is that one.
Beef scented. And dishwasher safe.
Ooh, zoom out. And this
bobber,
one, the bobber. What's the
um,
bobber?
So
They love it though. Hi, Snowball.
So it is also nylon.
Good girl. Go get your toy.
It is not scented though, this one.
This one's not scented. Well,
No.
Coco doesn't care. It looks
has
like.
easy grab bits on it.
Let me see.
See, it's this end.
Yeah, the ends.
And so it's gnaw friendly for a satisfying chew. Oh, lied! It is cheese scented.
They both came for it. Cheese scented, and this one was
Beef.
beef. Come on, girls. You want? Oh, hit another one. There you go. Now you both got one. Good thing it comes with 2 toys, right? Maybe we need to get another BarkBox for her. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so what else did we get? We also got
chew sticks.
chew sticks.
We got
2 packs.
Jacko loops with pumpkin and cinnamon, so they're circles.
The circles.
Yeah.
Oh. The pumpkin. Okay, and this one is
It's the same thing. We got
two of the exact same thing and the same flavors with pumpkin and cinnamon. Is yours that too?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And these are the same. This month, these are the same. They aren't the same every month, so that's what we got this year. All right, you want to put them in our treat drawer? Hey, let's give them a treat from last month.
These guys was pumpkin and honey.
Pumpkin and honey. Look at them. You guys want a treat from last month? Oh my gosh! No, mommy has the treat over there. She has the treat. Girls want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah, you do, don't you? You girls want a treat? Let her have her space.
Excuse me.
Let her have her space.
Me.
The dogs just love BarkBox.
Excuse me. Sit, babies. Hey, sit, babies. Sit, babies. Hey, don't be like that, Coco.
Oh.
You both will get one.
Okay, I'm holding Coco now.
No. 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 Okay. Let the hound dog loose. Of course, it's a theoretical hound dog. She's not actually a hound.
Do you like it, Coco? Do you like it? You're wagging your tail, I think so. Where's the wrappings? Good girls. I hope you enjoyed your BarkBox. Yeah. Alright guys, so as our dogs have a wonderful time chewing on these, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Say peace. Say bye.
Toodaloos.
Bye, doggies. Good girls.
No, I just need you to sit and look pretty. That's all. Thank you for your kisses.